Greetings everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put some fuel in a generator. So I'm going to be doing that using this pump. It's a hand pump. I'm not really sure of the name they make right now, but I got it off Amazon, and it's Chinese, made in China, like most of the things these days, for many years actually. So I'm going to be using this hand pump to put that fuel into my generator, a home generator. So just a regular this is a Briggs and Stratton, just a regular home generator, backup generator. So let's do this. So with this hand pump, all you need to do is this the pump, you can see. Then this the top pipe goes into the fuel, that's the inlet, and the bottom one is the outlet. So I'm going to put that into the inlet, into the fuel can, and then pump it into the generator. So let's do that. So that's, I'll just open the fuel tank, the generator. Open the cap on the fuel can. Then remember you put the top one into the fuel can, that's the inlet. This one you put into the generator. I hope this will work. And you just start pumping. Usually you can feel the fuel going through. Doesn't seem to be inside properly. It has to be in. Pipe seems to be bending. Now it's going through. Most likely you can see that clearly. You can even feel the resistance. Fuel going through. Let's see how long it takes to pump this fuel into the generator. You can see it filling up. Stick. side. See it filling up. I'm not sure what the rate is of fuel transfer, but anyway, it's filling up. Anyway, this tank was it was like 3/4 full, so I'm not filling it from empty, so it should not take long. Almost at the top. At the top. And I'll show you after. Yeah. Yeah, it's about full. Yeah, I don't want it to overflow. But let me get the last fuel out of the hand pump. Oh, quite a lot. And yeah, that's it. That did take what, few minutes, 5 minutes, or even less. But yeah, it's this is a very useful tool, this hand pump, because I used to let me cover that up. I used to struggle, it was quite a headache putting the fuel in the generator. So yeah, now with this it's very useful. Anyway, there was a time it was not working and I was trying to figure out why, but apparently you have to oil, but there's still some fuel there. You have to oil the top, because I think yeah, it dries out or something. There's no lubrication, then it won't pump, so remember that. But yeah, it's very useful. Took only a few minutes and I filled the generator, although it was 3/4, but yeah, very useful. You don't have to struggle with trying to pour the fuel into the generator, and it's a bit safer, I guess, and you don't get petrol on your skin or clothes, or very little. So I recommend this. I'll put a link to this into the description. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment about if you want to know more about this. Subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching again. Peace.